Living in a small area can be challenging. If you live in a small apartment or house, the hardest part is finding space for everything you need while keeping it looking nice. Isn't it more enjoyable to create a small space than a large one? When you're working in a small area, there aren't many things you can bring in. You need to work wisely and think cleverly with the few choices you have to show your skills. This boosts your creativity and allows you to create a unique and fun place that shows off your personality in every corner. Use furniture that serves multiple purposes. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer for your small area. It won't only help you maximize your space, but also make it easier for you to store all your essentials without making a mess. Try to find items that have more than one use and look nice to improve the appearance of your place. For example, you can buy a fuzzy rotating couch that has storage space and can rotate, making it a flexible piece of furniture. Besides that, you can also invest in a couch bed, an ottoman with storage, or a convertible coffee table. These versatile furniture pieces will help you make the most of every square inch of your room. Make areas for different activities. In a small room, it's easy for things to get messy. That's why creating different work areas is important for keeping your space tidy and your mind calm. To create activity zones, you can use rugs, arrange furniture in different ways, and use lighting to separate places for dining, relaxing, and working. This will help you keep your space neat and tidy. Choose light and bright colors. Colors can change how a room feels and make it look bigger and brighter. Choose bright and light colors for your small room to make it feel bigger, more open, and attractive. Light colors can make your small flat feel peaceful and calming, turning it into a cozy place to relax. You can choose colors like white, light pastels, and soft neutral shades to make the space feel bigger and more peaceful. Besides that, if you're craving some color in your space, you can add an accent wall or accessories with a pop of color. Choose furniture with legs to make your small house seem bigger. It's important to leave some space between the floor and the furniture. Instead of choosing a couch, chair, or bed that sits on the floor, you can choose ones with visible legs. This can make your rooms look open and bright, creating the feeling of more space. This type of furniture can make your home look more modern and stylish. Mirrors. Mirrors are a simple but effective way to make a room look bigger and more bright. Put a big mirror across from a window to bounce natural light and make the room feel more open. Mirrors with decorative frames can double as wall art, adding elegance to your decor. Use mirrored furniture, such as side tables or closets, to combine usefulness and style. A floor-to-ceiling mirror in a narrow hallway can instantly make it appear more expansive. This method is very effective in small apartments or tight areas, making them feel more spacious without needing to do any construction. Declutter regularly. Cleaning up is important for making the most of your room and looking good. Regularly check your things and keep only what you need or care about. Give away or sell things you no longer need. Use storage bins, boxes, or drawers to keep items organized and easy to reach. A tidy room looks better and feels bigger. Use fewer decorations that have special value to achieve a minimalist look. This makes your home look neat and calm, adding grace while using every space efficiently. Conclusion: having your own small personal area feels nice. If you can't keep things organized and tidy and fit in everything you need, it can be hard to get used to it. Your small room allows you to be creative and try out different styles, making it uniquely yours. Therefore, if you have a tiny space, don't feel overwhelmed. Using the tips we shared, you can easily make the best use of your small area. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.